Want to answer calls on your iPad or Mac even when your iPhone isn't nearby? Here's how to turn on calls on other devices in just a few steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you see Phone, then tap on it. If you don't see it right away, you can also use the search bar at the top of Settings and type Phone. Once you're inside the phone settings, scroll down to the section called Calls on Other Devices and tap it. Now turn on the switch for Allow Calls on Other Devices. Below that, you'll see a list of your other Apple devices like your iPad, MacBook, or even another iPhone signed in with the same Apple ID. You can turn this feature on for each device individually by toggling them on. For example, if you enable it for your MacBook Pro, you'll be able to answer and make calls right from your computer, even if your iPhone is in another room. And that's it. You've successfully enabled calls on other devices. If this helped, tap like, leave a comment if you've turned it on, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.